Holy Angel University cares for its students. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, we assure you that we are working hard to help you make your aspirations come true. Here's a quick guide to our college online enrollment process. Enrollment schedule for the academic year 2020 to 2021 will start on June 1, 2020 for incoming freshmen and will run until July. For the upperclassmen, it will be on July to August. Step 1. Pay your entrance fee at the accredited banks and money transfer establishments identified by the university at least 2 days prior to your enrollment schedule. Send the deposit slip or transaction slip to the email address assigned to you according to the first letter of your surname. Don't forget to indicate your name and your student number provided to you by the admissions office. You may also email lcasupanan@hau.edu.ph or gmclat@hau.edu.ph for students' accounts and tuition fees related concerns. Note: all college freshmen enrollees under the School of Hospitality and Tourism Management and Radiologic Technology program will only have to pay for the entrance fee. Succeeding enrollment steps shall be coursed through the respective chairpersons and coordinators. Step 2. Once cleared for payment, go to www.hau.edu.ph/internet and click on the student portal outside access. Key in your username and password. For college freshmen, username is the student number provided by the admissions office and encode any password like your birthday. Before proceeding to the actual enrollment, please make sure to read the Student Undertaking Google form available at the main menu of the student portal. Click Student Undertaking for school year 2020 to 2021. Once you have fully read and understood it, fill out all the necessary information and affix the letters SGD at the bottom of the document and click Submit to acknowledge the student undertaking. Step 3. After you get into the student portal main menu page, click on the icon for the college self-enrollment routine. Once you are at the enrollment page, click Select Section and a drop-down list will appear. To select a specific section code, point your mouse pointer to the section code, then click the left mouse button. Select only the section that is for your program or course. Click on the Reset button if you would like to select another section. The system will now take each class code under the selected section code. Once all class codes show the enrolled remark, click the Exit button. A pop-up window will appear asking for the printing of your schedule. Just click OK. Printing will be done once office resumes. If you are still having a hard time navigating the system, you can seek assistance via the telephonic registration service for the walkthrough. You may call the following: